Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add shadows into an element in your design on Canva. So here I've already opened my Canva design, and the first thing that you need to do is find the shadow elements. So go to the elements and click on shadow, enter. Then here, click on see all on the graphics and just choose the type of shadows that you want. So for example, I want to use this one, and then just adjust the positions to fit the elements that you want to add the shadow. For example, I want to add in here. Okay, then change the position of this elements in to the backward position. So click on position and put it backward or to back. Okay, so now the shadow is under the main element here. Then just adjust the transparency of the shadow like this, and you are done. If you want, you can also just copy it and put it under the other elements. Okay, I'm going to put it in here, then rotate. Okay, so you are done, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.